What's up? It is a very quick session, live session here on. Wow. So let me know if you can hear me, guys. Good morning, Ali. Walaikum assalam, Ahmad. So what are you trading today? So we're going to do some quick analysis on some forex pair, commodities, and some indices I have here plotted on my chart. So let me know. By the way, we have our take profit hit with this trade we took a couple of days ago. That was a test of my patience actually. Took a long to hit my take profit. Right here today it hit the take profit of 118 pips. That is what you call patience. Walaikum salam, Usman. Right, Ali, can you hear me now? Right, so let's jump onto gold and silver first. So let's see what's happening there. Let's see. Right, so as you can see, we've been waiting for a double top, but we did have a double top here on 1 hour time frame mentioned in my yesterday's video, if you remember. Right here, we had a nice first top, second top with an engulfing pattern, and let me zoom that for you so that you can see clearly. That's an engulfing pattern, and if you see the ATR is 7, and if you would have entered here, the price did push down more than 7 pips, actually 10 pips it did push down. That was on 1 hour time frame. If you have entered this trade, that was a take profit already. But let's check on 4 hour now. So on 4 hour time frame, we also have a double top pattern that is completed right here, and looking at the ATR of this candle, the red candle is 13. So from here we can expect further $13 pushed down from here, which is around, let's see, yeah, will be around 1974.064. So, and stop loss will be same, or you can keep your stop loss above the rejection box and then go 1 to 1. So what else are you trading, guys? Excuse the background voice. It's almost my iftari time to break my fast, so there'll be some noises you'll hear in the background. Hey, buddy. It looks like gold is pushing down from here. What's happening with nat gas? Oh, it's pushing up. Right, so let's check S&P. Hi, Paul. Right, so we have a buy signal here on S&P 500. Yeah, we had a push up, pullback, engulfer. That is a buy signal happened at our trend continuation zone. Actually, not a trend continuation zone, it's a counter trading zone. Price did pushed up, came back in the zone, and now we have a buy signal here. So I'm expecting some push up out of S&P 500. It looks bullish to me. Thanks, Sunny. Yeah, Ahmed, let me check net gas. Okay, Raki, let's do it quickly. So I don't normally do videos on Friday, so that is why, just wanted to do a quick live session for you guys on Friday in case you have any questions, so we can quickly do that here on Fridays. So I'm planning to do that every other Friday. So let's see what's happening on nat gas. We did have a condition on right here on, yeah. So we had a good double bottom mentioned yesterday. We have a rejection in this box, 382 candle. And yeah, it was a 382 candle. And if you see the ATR of this candle is 5.8, let's do 6. So yeah, 5.8. Wow, that's a good push up. So from here, yeah, still didn't hit the take profit, but I'm expecting a push up from here. And this 20 EMA is the pain in the ass from long time, not letting the price to push up above it. If you see, every time it tries to break above 20 EMA, push the market down. It did break above 20 EMA, but then we did not have any sort of good bullish momentum. So then price did push down again, 20 EMA, push down, 20 EMA, push down. So that is what I'm looking at. And thank you, Raki. So let's see. Yeah, it still looks good to me. If it wants to reverse from here, it has to close above 20 EMA with good momentum and 50 EMA for a complete reversal. Yeah, that's what I'm doing it right now. So yeah, Rocky, that's what I'm waiting for as well, for a complete continuation. We need a break and close above, and we have a very good signal. If you see, we have a very good divergence in the RSI, lower lows, lower highs in the RSI. So we have a bullish divergence here. That is what we have, and we did not have this type of divergence from quite a while. If you see, we had a double bottom here previously, and right here we did not have like we had a divergence, but here the divergence is coming out of the over sold situation. So that is a very strong divergence in here in nat gas. Yeah, S&P, I've just done it, maybe if in case you missed it. So let's go back and see S&P 500 again. So that's what you said. Yeah, I'm going to check the oil as well and EJ as well. So S&P 500 again is it's bullish. I can see a bullish candle here that happened at the support area. So I'm expecting a push up from here. Doesn't matter if we have EMS above that, but that is what I call a trend continuation. It can break above all the EMS. So let's do a quick for crude oil. Right, so if you have seen my last video and if you followed it, we had a good one, nice engulfer. That happened at our zone, and with that, that would be a good, nice take profit hit. Now, so yeah, we're back in the area of support, so price can push up again. Yeah, looks good. Okay, gold. Let's let's check gold. So if we have traded on 1 hour time frame, we already have our take profit hit according to the ATR. Price did push down around $9. So at this point, we have another double top happened on a 4 hour time frame. So right here, looking at this candle, it can push down around $13 from here. You can also take your profits in parts if you want to take like $6 first and then go ahead with the next take profit, because for gold, I sometimes open two positions. My pleasure, Haroon. I'm glad if you're getting a value out of my analysis. So this was a very good trade we had a couple of days ago. Where is Euro New Zealand? Here, right here. So for the net gas, we have a similar condition, but it's upside down basically. It's bullish. Here we had a bearish condition for this pair. Ascend in the priority trade alert. We took an entry here with this nice engulfer, and then what happens? Price push down, about to hit my take profit, but then reversed. But if you have seen this trade, I've sent in the free Telegram channel as well. Your take profit would have been hit with this candle, but I kept my bigger targets, which was here. So that tested my patience. But what do we have? A nice double top with that divergence, and right here with the double top we have a nice divergence. So that's a good example of divergence, taking your trades with double top, and that would be a nice take profit hit. And similar conditions we are getting on natural gas, but opposite. So that is why looking good for net gas. If it breaks above the EMA, we have a possible chance of reversal. All right, Rocky, let's check EJ. Right. Yeah, man, I'm going to check in a short while. Let's do a quick here on Euro Japanese yen. Right. Mm-hmm. I'm just doing it roughly for now. Yeah, that looks good. Back on 4 hour. Right, so for EJ Iraqi, I'm looking at this zone here for counter trades 136.03. That goes up to 138.28. So a zone from where we can look for buying conditions. Yeah, Ahmad, it's in the description of my YouTube videos. Let me do that 1 second. Let me paste that in the chat section. Yeah, I've just done that in the chat section, so you can see that. So let's see if we have another trading opportunity somewhere. Forex looks bearish to me. We had a nice trade here as well. So if you're trading this pair, you can use this zone for your trend for your bearish trades. I'll wait for the retest and another sell from here. So from 87.62, we can enter sell trades if you are trading AUD JPY. Euro dollar, let's see that. Yeah, still look bullish to me. I'm waiting for the price to hit my zone to take my counter trades, but we can get a possible buy condition here as well. So still bullish. No worries, buddy. What other pair we have? Oh, a nice condition here on USD Canada. Price making lows. Possible double top. Yeah, that can push down as well. That looks good to me for bearish. It looks good to me. Yeah, a good zone. If you're trading this pair, USD in Canada 1.37711. That goes up to 1.38817. You can plot these zones in the charts. I can see a potential sell condition here. My pleasure, Lee. What else we have? Yeah, Pradesh, UK 100. Let's quickly check that first for you. Okay. Yeah, so if you remember in my yesterday's live, day before yesterday, we had a condition right here, a sell trade, and that was a nice take profit hit already. Now we're pushing back down to the support area. So you can keep these zones on your chart. 7238, that goes up to 7311. We can enter another buy from here once the price hit this zone. So until then, it's bearish. What else? So USD Canada, good opportunity, just found. I do look sometime exotic pairs and take some trades as well. I think so. I took some nice trade out of these exotic pairs. The only problem is the spread is very high on these pairs. Yeah, we had this one a couple of days ago. No worries, Ahmed. Okay, let's check my best pairs. Nothing much here. GBP USD, yep, the popular pair. It can push up, guys, so I'm not looking for any sort of sell conditions for this pair. It can push up, and if you want to sell, take a counter trades. The zone here is a good zone to take the counter trades. That is also one of my tested pair. Yeah. Oh, looks good. New Zealand Japanese yen. So The price did pushed up quite a few times, right here, and we are back in this zone. GBP AUD, yeah, I'm gonna check that. Let's see if this zone is good zone or not. That is all my back testing, guys. Yeah, Alex, that looks good to me. So, yeah, potential entry here for New Zealand Japanese yen for buy condition. Check GBP AUD. Okay, right here. Oh wow, nice trend. Okay, so what do we have for this one? Okay, that's quite high. My pleasure, Raki. No problem at all. Right, so for this pair, I will personally wait to take my sell trades, to counter trades. I will personally wait for this zone is quite high, very high. So I won't be entering any sort of sell trades. But the recent zones that has been broken for this pair, it is 1.79169 that goes up to 1.80434. So this is the recent zone we can get a pullback to before the price can push up again. So that is what I'm looking at for this pair. For counter trades, we have a zone quite high right here, right above. Yeah, that is the zone I'll be looking to enter my sell trades. Hello, Snips. Cheers. So I'm gonna go for another 10 minutes, then we can finish this live, and I need to prepare for to break my fast as well. So what do we have here? Let's see what's happening with the gold. You see a nice divergence, guys, here. See a nice divergence at the first top, and then we had a lower high low second top. Nice divergence for gold, so very positive for gold. It can fall. So you can, Pradesh, you can DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. The links is in the description. I'll put the link as well in this live session, at the end of this live session. But if you look at my other videos, you'll find the link, my Insta link. You can directly uh, send me a DM there. GBP CAD, let's check that. Yeah, I'll check GBP CAD and then we can check GBP USD. So GBP CAD runs like crazy, very fast moving pair. Which one I was going to look at? So any GBP CAD, yep, rising wedge. Breakdown just now. By the way, we took this trade in the this week in the priority trade alert, and we had a nice take profit of 137 pips. And at this point, the price is now above this zone, so it's still within this range. It can still fall. So for the further bullish trades, I want to see another green candle must close above this zone. If that happens, it can push up. So I'll wait for the conditions. So yeah, that is the next zone from where we can take our counter trades. So yeah, that looks still in the bearish territory. So we need to wait and see what happens. As you can see, we are getting a nice engulfer on daily time frame. If it closed below this zone, then it can fall. Yeah, I'm gonna check NG, silver, and yearly. I'm gonna check that. Which one was that before? I missed the text. Rocky, yeah, GBP USD. Let's check quickly. Rocky, so GBP USD, this pair is bullish, and I won't be entering any sort of sell trades because it's in a nice uptrend. As you can see, nice uptrend. The only place I'm going to sell it is 1.3, 1.23795, and it goes up to 1.2444, a zone from where we can look for sell condition. So I won't be entering any sort of bearish trade for that unless and until we have a dramatic fall below this EMA. Okay, I'm going to check silver for you as well. So yeah, in a nice uptrend. I have my zones here on silver. Right, so as you can see, the price did hit this zone. For silver, it's almost there, but I sometimes give it exception if the price is this much low. So if we have this closed as an engulfer, this current candle, if you can see that, let me zoom that, we have a valid condition. So yeah, it looks bearish if we have a close of this candle. So that is a zone. If you are still in the buy trade, there's a time to exit this trade, this commodity. So Lee, Russell, is that a stock? I don't normally trade that. I think that's the one you're talking about, right? Yeah, just checking that for you. Ramadan Mubarak, brother. So for this particular instrument, A very good zone to buy. That's a daily and weekly zone as well. So if you want to buy, that's a zone here. Right, if you see this number in blue, that's a zone you need to keep on your charts to take your buy counter trade. A very good zone, a very likely chance that price will push up from here. Let me check, quickly check natural gas and then come back to you again. See, the gold is now pushing down out of this zone. So we have two winning, already have one winning trade out of gold. So what was it? Natural gas. Where is natural gas? Right. So for nat gas, again, I'm still waiting for the price to break and close above. If it breaks and close above 20 EMA at this point, we have a very good chance it will break. It will hit 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA will be on your charts. Then it will hit 50 EMA. Once it break and close above 20 EMA, it will hit 50 EMA. Very likely chance. And then I need to see a break and close above 50 EMA. We have a very good pattern, double bottom pattern. We have a divergence here, and looking at everything, we have a chance that natural gas can push up. So what was it? No problem, D. IWM. Let's check that. Right. So looks like it's this one. Right. My pleasure, buddy. Thank you. So, Lee, right here. So we have a very good zone here, very good buying zone. Price is about to hit. That's number in blue. That's a zone for you to enter your counter buy trade. A very good zone to take your buy trades. Yep, Sumit, I've already done the silver. Let me know if you still have any questions. Yeah, crude oil is now pushing up as well. My pleasure, Lee. No problem at all. Right. Right. What do we have? Yeah, so that looks good to me. For the forex pair, we have an opportunity here on this one is already start pushed down for Canada Japanese yen, and the other pairs I've just shown. So hope you get a value out of this live session. I'm planning to do it every other Friday, or maybe Friday, or maybe I can do it in between the weeks because it's Ramadan, and I'm planning to come more often as well. Most of the time I'll be at home, so won't be doing any other activities, just be trading and doing live sessions. So let me know if you like it. We can do it more often. So let's finish this live session off, and it's time for me to prepare myself for to break my fast. So I see you guys in the next session, guys. Take care.